The equipment required for installing Tactray 90 are an impact driver, tape measure, gloves, IDL sealant, self-drill main fixings and stitchers. Tactray 90 is available in 3 different finishes: galvanised, white polyester or powder coated, and can be made up to 6 meters in length. Run IDL sealant along all perimeters of the building. Remove the tape before placing the tray. Once the tray is installed, this will create an airtight seal. Position the first tray along the edge of the verge. The tray is designed so the upstands are different in size, so they can overlap. Lap the next tray over the first and align at each end. There is a factory fitted gasket on one side of the upstand. When the trays are stitched together, this will create an airtight seal. It is important to measure the distance of the overhang to ensure the tray doesn't run out. Ensure the tray is in the right position before fixing. A string line can help with alignment. Fix the trays together along the upstands at 500mm centres using stitchers. When the trays are stitched together and in position, secure the tray to the substrate using 5 main fixings for each end of the tray. If intermediate purlins are used, then 3 fixings are required for these. The side perimeters need to be fixed at 500mm centres using main fixings. As the substrate may differ from timber to metal, the relevant fixings will be supplied. Repeat the process for each tray, lapping the tray and remembering to remove the tape from the IDL. Ensure each tray end has 5 fixings. Once the installation is complete, the roof is now watertight, allowing internal works to continue, even though the roof isn't completed. As Tactray 90 is a structural liner, it can be used with pretty much any different roofing finish and with any U value that's required.